The best gifts come in small packages. If you're looking for a luxurious and stylish gift for a mentor, spouse, a best friend, or just a music lover, then the AV Pryum Earbuds are perfect for you. Let's open it up and see what it looks like and a few of the features. It has a sleek and sophisticated design, and it's the perfect accessory for any outfit and will make the perfect gift for anyone who loves music. This comes as a metal case and can be personalized as is shown on this particular one. Now the Bluetooth distance for these AirPods are 10 meters. So as far as 10 meters, you'll be able to still listen to your music. Now, whether you're gifting a colleague at the office or gifting your loved ones and family, the AV Pryum Earbuds will help you make a statement and foster unforgettable relationships with whoever you gift. Order a pair of AV Pryum Earbuds today and remain top of mind in the hearts of those that matter the most. Now, if you're ordering a pair of the AV Pryum Earbuds, you also get the Pryum leather set, which comes in a beautiful box, and it has the leather wallet, it has the key ring, and it has a pen. Absolutely free. Contact us by clicking on the link below. Bye.